Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Days Star TV News Time. Headlines: Presidency speaks on Buhari's deaths. 4 herdsmen killed in fresh attack. Buhari's death matter don't pop up again, ladies and gentlemen. But the reason why when the news pop up again now because of that yesterday when they go deceive 200 million Nigerian people, claiming say that they go take COVID-19 vaccine. Don't be deceived. Don't buy into these people's agenda and into their topic. So before we move down to this segment full time, I want to take this little opportunity to thank all of you when don't subscribe to Funky Days Star TV. Alright, and for those who never subscribe, I say make una take this opportunity to subscribe to our channel. Now, presidency speak again on alleged deaths of Buhari. Like I said before, don't let these people to deceive you. In fact, the Buhari in question, where they talk about, everybody don't see the man, and I will still see the man. And I will see how fresh when this Buhari look like, and how fresh when Osinbajo, look like. A lot of people don't talk, see Buhari now look more younger than Osinbajo, and also Osinbajo look older than their Buhari. Again, some of them on comment section, they claim say Buhari's hand, Buhari's body look like just like a newborn baby body. And then they claim say the guy in question, when the Buhari, when they claim say now the real Buhari, say now 84 years, 85 years old. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. So the topic not be see now anybody bring them up this time around. Now them when sabi somebody like Loretta Onoche and their cohorts, now them they claim say Buhari no go die because of COVID-19, because he be like say get some quarters when they claim say Buhari go still die because of COVID-19 vaccine. So I can't wonder how many times this Buhari go die. The man don't die in 2017. Everybody knows that. No matter what anybody they come and can't tell Nigerian people, we already debunked the whole stories when they emanate from Aso Rock Villa. See, Buhari not the full stop. This person, when they show the whole world saying Buhari, not be on real Buhari, when everybody know. When don't rule Nigeria in 1983. This one, another different person. Even the Osinbajo in question, look at their muscle. Even Mike Tyson muscle, not big reach Osinbajo's muscle. Anthony Joshua muscle, not big reach this Buhari's muscle. Anthony Joshua muscle they learn. So you go wonder, say which kind of Arab face be this one when they fall. Aso Rock, when they parade say na Buhari. The issue of the vaccine, whether they claim say then take yesterday in wherever they take the vaccine, they say na Aso Rock. Okay, fine. We know they debunk now say not be Aso Rock hospital or say not be Aso Rock. Well, these same people, when they do propaganda of this vaccine, I can categorically tell on say not be the same vaccine when they won't give you as a poor person. These people they take now different thing entirely that they give them. And again, these same people, when they propagate for Nigerian people to come take vaccine, now these same people when no agree give on a palliative. The time of palliative, when all the whole Nigerian people who needed palliative, waited for palliative, they not see palliative. Why now? Then go they use television, they do mago, they tell owner say they won't take vaccine in the public. Normally, if somebody is sick in his home, You know, we come out in public say, oh, I won't go take injection in national television. If you dey sick now for your house you go take the tablet now. Why can't be say these people then they propagate for this vaccine matter, say they must to take am so that Nigerian people go believe say then take something what they call vaccine. That alone don't already scare you and I. When that Buhari dey sick, when they fly and go London, according to the news, they know they show where they give Buhari injection. Everything was hidden from the public. Why now can't be say these people that they come out, they tell you, oh, Buhari won't take vaccine in national television, Obasanjo won't take vaccine in national television. All these things are fat lies. And again, make I tell on one thing. Before we dey hear say some people they die in 2018, 2019, even 2020, before this coronavirus propaganda enter the whole world, people they die. Why can't be say now everybody when they die then they talk say na COVID-19 they kill the person? So what about that death when people they die before? Where that one can go? That again shows you that there is something big lies behind this their vaccine and their COVID-19 matter. We want to know where those people when they die before again. Why we not hear say somebody die like the way they died in 2018, 2019. In fact, since our great grandfathers then they come, because even my papa died in 2010. So where those kind of deaths when it come to say we did for 2020, in the middle of 2020 and 2021, we don't hear say anybody went die na coronavirus. We want to see the statistics of people when ordinary deaths they kill, because everybody when they die now. These people when be fraudulent APC and PDP and all over the world they can tell us say, oh, anybody when die na COVID-19. Now why you? So why then go come and they tell Nigerian people say Buhari and Obasanjo they take COVID-19 vaccine in public in national television, so that you go buy in, you go key into their matter to go take your own injection. So a lot of stories don't pop up different time regarding this vaccine issue. So I will not advise even my enemy to go take vaccine. If Buhari won't take a vaccine with the family, make it take vaccine with the family. Okay, where Aisha Buhari come the show now, the one when she don't take. Where Yusuf, his son, or Obasanjo them children, or Obasanjo's wife, where then they make all of them come and come show in public where they take this same vaccine. And how are you sure? See, now the vaccine that they take. To funky D, now different things where they take, ladies and gentlemen. Now different thing. They not they take any COVID-19 vaccine. Agenda, big agenda, they under this vaccine matter. Government when not fit care about their people. Suddenly they don't come and they deceive you, say, oh, they want to take vaccine so that the whole people, everybody in Nigeria go to see their Buhari when they take vaccine. But when they sick before, the one when don't die. Even until the man died, they still they hide until tomorrow say the man not die. They still they hide until tomorrow say the man not die. This is not somebody when Queen Elizabeth don't send condolence to Nigerian people. So do not allow these people to deceive you. Don't buy into their agenda. But for una when one take vaccine, if you like, go take. If you not like, now again, then they tell us say you don't quick them to jump out. They talk say, oh, no side effect. Buhari is bouncing like a baby boy, and the coronavirus vaccine, there's no side effects. At least Nigerian people, when be all these politicians, then they quick to they rush into conclusions. They just take the vaccine yesterday, according to the news, which we know say not be vaccine then take. They not take any vaccine. And if I thought them take anything, not be the same thing when you go take, then go give them. Because now them be your leaders. So we go read about this Buhari's death, whether they yarn, when they come tell us now, when don't pop up again, where they claim say some quarters don't talk about this matter in 2017. Now Loreto not share. When be Buhari's aide, now she they yarn. So make we read a little bit, and we continue our analysis from there. Once again, don't let these people to deceive you. Don't let anybody to deceive you, because we don't challenge and say the statistic of people when they die before. We want to see them that kind of death when people they die, like my papa them, we don't die since 2010. We want to see, because now we don't hear say somebody they die like that again. Because I want to ask them, say, where my great-great-grandpapa them, that kind of death won't kill them, where they again? Because if they come out every day, they tell us say na COVID-19, anybody want just die na COVID-19, ladies and gentlemen, na big wayo. Big wayo. So, make we read a little bit. The presidency has said that President Muhammadu Buhari on Saturday, March 6, led by simple example by being the first to take the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. Loreto Onoche, a presidential media aide, in her tweets said Nigerians should join her principal and Vice President Yemi Osinbajo to kick out the pandemic by getting vaccinated also. Onoche also slammed some detractors of the president who prayed that he should die of the vaccine after taking the jab. Presidency shared Buhari's experience after receiving COVID-19 vaccine, gives update on side effects. The presidency said, ladies and gentlemen, the presidency said, President Muhammadu Buhari will not die of COVID-19 vaccine. Photo, Muhammadu Buhari, source, Facebook. She said, these were the same set of persons who spread lies that the country's #1 citizen had passed on in 2017. The media aides noted that contrary to this evil wish, President Muhammadu Buhari will not stop making developmental strides throughout Nigeria. Her words, they were praying that the same Muhammadu Buhari, they said, died years ago, would die yesterday. I don't ask you now how many times the man will die. Now one time we don't see a person they die. Maybe the Buhari don't die 2017, constantly raise up again from that. Now Jesus Christ. But the fact remains that he will continue his developmental stride with groundbreaking ceremonies for 3 projects tomorrow. He has suffered no side effects from taking the COVID-19 vaccine earlier. The presidential spokesman, Garba Shehu, had assured Nigerians that the COVID-19 vaccine was safe. He said President Muhammadu Buhari did not suffer any side effects after getting his jab on Saturday. Legit Nigeria had earlier reported that the president and his vice, Yemi Osinbajo, were administered the vaccine at the presidential villa. That's what they talk. Now, so then they tell you now, I don't tell you now, say, if you believe these people, now your own problem be that. The vaccine they won't give you, not be the one when they go take, if at all, then take anything. The time when that the issue of this palliative, they're not giving any Nigerian person any palliative. Why now? Then they come out, they show you, say, go take vaccine. But when people they cry for hunger in that country, they seize the whole palliative. Even the governors, all of them hide the whole thing, including these people. When they come to Nya, like Loreto Onoche, Garba Shehu, all of them hide the palliative where they're supposed to give you when be common Nigerian person. They'll not give you, but now they won't force you go take vaccine. Go take vaccine, you die, and you die Sarah. I don't ask honor at my opponent. When somebody is sick, if they come out for national television, they tell the whole world, say, he won't go take injection. You don't see anybody. Or say Banjo, when they claim, say, he take the vaccine, no go tell us, say, never sick since when I'm born. And they ask Osebanjo whether him, because you not believe, say, Osebanjo be that person. Till tomorrow, I don't tell us, say, my Tyson muzzle, they learn for where this Osebanjo, where they show us yesterday. The Buhari, where they show now, a muzzle, Anthony Joshua own, they learn. So where these people, they grab all this muzzle? People, when they don't reach 80s, even, like I said before, Nigerian people don't dispute and say, that man when they there, not be Buhari, in body too fresh to be an 80 years old or 84 years old man. Even 60 years old person, not they get that kind of body, when that man wear the shawl for they get. People they claim, say, this man body, it be like, say, now small pikin or small baby where they just born come out. Obasanjo, when be former president of Nigeria, now the same age mate with the Buhari. Check out Obasanjo today. Go see this person. Una go see this picture of this person or the video of this man where they tell us, say, nah, Buhari. Now, make we go to the issue of the people where they tell us, say, then kill herdsmen people yesterday somewhere in Igbo land. 4 headers shot dead, hundreds of cows missing in fresh Anambra attack. At least 4 headers were shot dead in an attack on a settlement in Omboje, Orumba, South local government area of Anambra State, according to Alhaji Gadido Sadiki, chairman of the Meati Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, Magban, Southeast Zone. Many cows were stolen in the attack, which happened on Saturday. Sadiki said over 20 Fulani herdsmen had been killed in Anambra alone from January to March 2021. You not know, say, thousands of Anambra State people don't die in the hands of herdsmen people. Why una they complain? Una go keep finish now, una go come they complain when people try to retaliate. So shut up, this man, and go sit down in your northern part of the country. Leave Biafran land alone. Leave Biafran people alone. If you are tired of staying in Anambra State or wherever you are as a Meati Allah chairman, go back to your states. Go back to the north. Stop disturbing Biafran people. Stop complaining because you have not seen anything yet. He disclosed this in Oka, Anambra State capital, while briefing some journalists on the increased attack and killings of Magban members in the state and Southeast Zone in general. Sadiki, who was visibly pained, said the latest attack on his people took place at Muhammadu Idris Header settlement on Saturday. He said he was told that gunmen entered the camp and started shooting, and in the process 4 Fulanis were killed, while their corpses were taken away, adding that hundreds of cows were missing in the attack. One of the escaped headers called me and told me the same unknown gunmen in a Hilux vehicle with a red cap invaded Muhammadu Idris Header settlement, shooting sporadically, and that led to the deaths of our 4 members and hundreds of cows missing, he said. He added that out of the 4 dead, police have recovered 1 corpse, while 3 other corpses are yet to be accounted for. According to him, they have found where 5 cows were slaughtered in the area. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the issue when concerned this Buhari's death and this herdsmen people, now here we go drop the whole matter. I say the Buhari issue and the COVID-19, don't be deceived. These people, they are up to something when not good at all. The propaganda when they tell us say Buhari won't take COVID-19 injection in the public space or in the national television. That one you know see now they guess big agenda when they inside the matter. They no need to tell you, because I don't give you many examples. Before Osinbajo they sick. Before this year Buhari they sick. When that one went on sick, went on die in 2017. They hide them up to today. They hide the dead body. They hide the death up to today. Osinbajo no fit tell us say not they sick before, or a family not they sick before. Oh, now they come out in national television to announce say make una won't go take injection in abroad before, or una won't take injection in Nigeria. No, the answer is no. So why now? So ladies and gentlemen, if you know the answer, we're gonna come down to Funky this Star TV comment section. Come tell us wetin be una opinion regarding this Buhari and the APC and the PDP and all the whole leaders all over the world agenda, because the agenda not be better agenda. And again, before you stand up, please make sure you press the subscribing button and subscribe to our channel. One love everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Bye from Canada.